Welcome everyone. This is Arjun. Today's topic is about web design and development, particularly on JavaScript. I'm going to design password field and a checkbox through which a password field can be toggled between show and hide type. Show and hide type means you are typing the password, and if you want to change the type, it means the password field is gonna show in the star or the small circle. You want to change into text to know what you are typing, then this tutorial is for you. It's super simple if you have basic JavaScript knowledge. Okay, let's get started. Open your favorite text editor. I am using Sublime Text. Open this one, or you can use any of the web browser, any of the text editor. And even you are a basic learner, you can use a notepad as well. And if you are here to implement this feature on your application, you can embed this line of code into your application and um, design and develop accordingly. Okay, and let me save the file into the desktop as a index.html. Save. I have the one file here, the desktop. Okay, and let's start with basic HTML tag. Title as show hide password tutorial. Okay, and let's begin with body tag. Inside the body tag, let's start with form tag, and inside the form tag, let me type password and input type, that is password, and the name is password. You don't need the name, but the ID is important. ID, that is PSS password. This ID is useful because we are going to use this ID to grab the value from this password field and store in the variable and implement some logic. And let me create one checkbox as well with input type, that is check input type, that is checkbox. And we don't need a name here, but we are using a function here, on click function, on click function, and we'll create the function and implement here. Let me type some text here as so hide password, and let me save and open in the web browser. Firefox doesn't matter. Yeah, we have the very basic input type. What's wrong there? Let me find out. Input type, that is input type, that is CHEC, with the spelling mistake here, sorry guys. Let me refresh. Yeah, we have the checkbox here. Until now we haven't done anything, so this checkbox is not working. On click, when we click here, then we are going to create a function. So when we click this checkbox, we are going to call the function. Let me type the function name as show hide function, this function, and I'm going to create the function here inside the script tab, because we are creating the JavaScript function here to implement show hide features. And here start with function. The function name is show hide. Okay, and here we need to grab the value with this variable name and store in our variable here. So variable var x, that is equals to document dot get element by id, and the id is password, password password. This password gonna store in this variable. Then we need to implement the logic here. We need to check first either the variable type is password or not. If it's password, then we're gonna change into text, and if not, it means if it's text, we are going to change into password. So if x dot type, that is equal that is password. If the x, this value is, the type is password, then what we have to do, we have to change the x dot type into, careful, only one equal here. This one is different operator. The type, that is equal to text. Save and let's check. Let me type hello. Now you can type, and if you check here, you can see, but when you uncheck this checkbox, it's not working. So we need to create else here. Else, yeah, let's say else x dot type, that is equals to password, return back to password. If this condition is true, the logic will implement this one, this statement, otherwise this statement. Save, and let me refresh here, and hello, and if you uncheck this one, return back to the password type. Awesome. You can implement exactly the same feature in your project. Instead of implementing, if you don't like this checkbox, you can use a font awesome icon, any of the font awesome icon which matches to this logic. Hope this is helpful for you. If you have any comment or question, please drop on the comment box below. I will answer as soon as possible. Don't forget to share with your friend, and if you haven't already, please subscribe my channel, hit like bell icon below. That encourages me to create more video on coming future. Thank you. Bye bye.